For the first-time essay writers, we usually don't know that essay structure has to be a true-fact relationship. The new learners tend to add lots of watery stuff that are just wasting time and gaining no points. Remember that the beauty for the essay is no more than the truth, logics, and evidence. Another tendency is to put on air, trying to sound like a scholar, using big words instead of up-to-date language, simple but formal. Writing in an academic or written style doesn't mean this way. Complication doesn't mean importance or formal. Third, overdone by copying or inserting or misused. These are considered high-level educated words, phrases, and connectors will make sentences sound very unnatural. Fourth, still many students just write from anywhere of anything that comes to mind without planning for a structure. Too much freedom or overstructured are both wrong. Knowing each step is an important design for the whole. It doesn't surely connect to serve a multidimensional essay, which does have levels and different natures of sentences. Almost each sentence serves different function. That's why you must learn them, so that you can write fast without haste and mistakes. It is learnable. Your effort is to create a sharp and strong claim of belief in a supporting relationship instead of creating a freestyle, implied or impressive. As you follow along, you will see that this style is just as enjoyable and beautiful.